Stop! Are you still struggling financially, despite working harder than ever? You're putting in the hours, but your bank account just isn't growing. You wonder why some people keep getting wealthier while others stay stuck. It's not luck or intelligence. It's knowing the real rules of money. The system is designed to keep you trading time for just enough to get by. But what if you could break free? The path to wealth is about working smarter, not harder, and learning the rules the wealthy use. In this video, I'll reveal the hidden truths keeping you broke and show you how to finally break free. Let's dive in. What if everything you thought you knew about success was wrong? The biggest lie? That working hard is the key to getting rich. It's a deeply ingrained belief passed down through generations. We're taught to grind, to be the first in and last out, to equate long hours with productivity and success. But if hard work alone made you wealthy, every nurse and construction worker would be a millionaire. And we know that's simply not the reality. The problem, you're trading your most valuable asset, your time, for money. It's a linear equation with limited upside. There are only 24 hours in a day, and you can only work so many of them. When your income is tied to hours, you hit a ceiling. A point where you physically can't earn anymore, no matter how hard you try. The system rewards you just enough to keep you coming back, but never enough to get ahead. You're constantly running to stay in the same place. Who benefits most from your hard work? Usually it's your employer. They leverage your time and effort to build their own wealth. The wealthy don't work for money the same way. They understand the power of leverage and passive income. They build systems and own assets that generate income whether they're present or not. Their money works for them, instead of the other way around. Ask yourself, are you building your own dream or just someone else's? Are you contributing to your own financial freedom or just enriching someone else? Most people max out their time and income, yet still live paycheck to paycheck. They're trapped in a cycle of working harder and harder, without ever getting ahead. The key isn't to stop working hard, it's to work hard on the right things, to focus your energy on activities that generate long-term wealth. Start building or buying assets, a side hustle, stocks, rental property, or digital products. These efforts pay you long after the work is done. They create a stream of income that flows in, even when you're not actively working. Shift from employee to owner. Even if you have a 9-to-5, think like a business owner with your finances. Manage your money like a business, not just a personal account. Your job is your first client, not your only one. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Create multiple streams of income so you're not dependent on a single paycheck. This provides security and allows you to take more risks. That's the difference between staying broke and building wealth. It's about creating a system that works for you, not the other way around. It's not about how hard you work, but what you're working for. Are you building someone else's dream or your own? Start working smart. Build assets, not just hours. Invest in things that will generate income for you in the long run. That's how you break the cycle and achieve true financial freedom. A penny saved is a penny earned. But in today's economy, is that old adage really holding true? Let's take a closer look. You save diligently, month after month, year after year, carefully putting away your hard-earned money. But despite your best efforts, your savings account is actually making you poorer, slowly but surely diminishing your wealth. The silent thief at work? Inflation. Prices rise across the board, from groceries to gas, and as they climb, your money's value falls. If inflation is running at 3% annually and your savings account is only earning a paltry 1%, you're effectively losing 2% of your purchasing power every single year. It's like watching your money slowly leak away. Banks, meanwhile, use your deposited money to get rich, lending it out to others at significantly higher interest rates and giving you mere pennies in return for the use of your funds. We're taught from a young age to save diligently, primarily because the financial system needs your deposits to function. But true financial security isn't about hoarding cash under a mattress or letting it stagnate in a low-interest savings account. It's about strategically making your money work actively for you, generating returns that outpace inflation. It's time to stop thinking solely like a traditional saver and start cultivating the mindset of an informed and proactive investor. Savers often fear the prospect of losing money through investment. However, savvy investors understand that the real long-term risk lies in not investing at all and allowing inflation to erode their wealth. Inflation relentlessly erodes the value of your savings over time, and simply doing nothing with your money is a guaranteed path to financial loss in the long run. Instead, consider putting your money into assets that have the potential to outpace inflation, such as stocks, real estate holdings, or even investing in promising businesses. Of course, investing inherently involves risks, but passively letting your money rot away in a low-yield savings account is, without a doubt, a guaranteed financial loss over time. It's wise to keep approximately 3-6 months worth of living expenses readily accessible in a savings account for unexpected emergencies. But everything beyond that essential emergency fund, it's time to put it to work strategically and purposefully. Focus on actively growing your money and building wealth, and don't passively let it shrink due to the relentless effects of inflation. Why aren't we taught how to build wealth? Because the education system isn't designed for it. You learned algebra and history, but not taxes, investing, or managing debt. Schools prepare you to be a good employee, not a wealthy individual. Financial illiteracy keeps you dependent on banks and employers. The system profits from your ignorance. So take your financial education into your own hands. Start with the basics: budgeting for investing, understanding compound interest, and knowing the difference between assets and liabilities. The goal: acquire more assets, fewer liabilities. Learn a little every day. Books, podcasts, videos. Your financial education is the best investment you'll ever make. What's the secret to building true wealth and financial independence? It all starts with passive income. Money that flows in consistently, even while you sleep, without your constant daily effort. Active income is like carrying heavy buckets of water, trading your time directly for money. Passive income, on the other hand, is like building a pipeline. Build as many pipelines as you possibly can, diversify your income streams, so you're not solely dependent on a single paycheck. Let's look at some examples. Dividends from stocks, providing a steady return on your investments, rental income from properties, generating cash flow each month, royalties from creative works like books or music, or digital products that you create once and sell repeatedly. In today's digital age, with the power of the internet at your fingertips, passive income opportunities are more accessible than ever before. Creating content on YouTube, engaging in affiliate marketing, or developing and selling online courses. Start small. Don't feel overwhelmed. Invest just $50 a month in a low-cost index fund, or launch a simple side project that you're passionate about. The key is to simply start. Take that first step. Your first pipeline might seem like just a trickle at first, but with consistent effort, it grows. Passive income is inherently scalable. You can't work more hours in a day, but you can always invest more money and time into your pipelines. Reinvest your earnings back into your assets and let the power of compounding work its magic for you over time. Over time, with dedication and smart choices, passive income can eventually replace your job and provide true financial freedom. Remember, this isn't a get-rich-quick scheme promising instant riches. It's a get-rich-for-sure plan, a path to lasting wealth if you remain patient and persistent. So, start building your very first pipeline today and begin your journey towards financial independence. You're earning more, but are you actually getting ahead? Enter lifestyle inflation. As your income rises, so do your expenses. New apartment, new car, fancier dinners. Suddenly, you're making double but still broke. Lifestyle creep traps even high earners in the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle. Ask, does this purchase truly make me happier, or am I just keeping up with others? Social pressure and marketing drive much of our spending. The solution isn't deprivation, it's intentionality. When you get a raise, save and invest at least half. Enjoy the rest, but keep widening the gap between what you earn and what you spend. That gap is your power. It buys your freedom. The bigger the gap, the faster you reach financial independence. Before your next big purchase, ask, is this adding real value or just inflating my lifestyle? Be intentional. Don't let lifestyle inflation steal your future. Debt is everywhere. Credit cards, student loans, car payments, but not all debt is equal. Bad debt buys things that lose value. Cars, clothes, vacations, at high interest rates. It's a trap. You pay more and more just to stay in place. Credit card debt can take decades to pay off and cost thousands in interest. Lenders profit from your struggle. Good debt or strategic leverage is different. It buys assets that generate income like rental properties or a business. The asset pays for the debt and builds your wealth. Before taking on debt, ask, will this make me richer or poorer? Priority 1, pay off all high-interest bad debt. It's a guaranteed return. Only then consider using good debt to accelerate wealth. Get rid of bad debt, free yourself to build real wealth. Use debt as a tool, not a trap. The new rules for building wealth: leverage technology and modern tools. Investing is now accessible to everyone. Buy stocks with $1, invest in real estate through REITs or crowdfunding. Robo-advisors and apps make investing automatic and easy. Beyond investing, technology lets you build passive income, start a digital business, publish an ebook, launch a YouTube channel. The barriers are gone. The only thing stopping you is you. Don't just consume technology. Use it to build your future. The playing field is level. Start with what you have right now. The secret: take action with the tools at your fingertips. It's never been easier to get in the game. Strategies and tools are useless without the right mindset. Many grow up with a scarcity mindset, believing money is limited and hard to get. This fear keeps you stuck, focused on saving pennies and avoiding risk. The alternative? An abundance mindset, seeing opportunities, creating value, and believing wealth is possible for you. Ask, what beliefs about money are holding you back? Reframe them. Money is a tool for good, not evil. Instead of "I can't afford that," ask, "How can I afford that?" Celebrate small wins and surround yourself with people who think abundantly. Your mindset shapes your reality. Shift it, and everything else follows. The biggest change starts in your mind. Knowledge is useless without action. Here's how to start today. Track every dollar you spend for 30 days. Know your numbers. Create a freedom budget. Pay yourself first by investing before anything else. List your debts and use the avalanche method. Attack the highest interest first. Celebrate each debt you eliminate. Open an investment account now. Don't wait for the perfect time. Start with whatever you have, even $25. Automate your investments so you build wealth without thinking about it. Commit to ongoing financial education. Read, listen, watch, and learn every day. Schedule 30 minutes daily for your financial fitness. Consistency beats intensity. Small steps compound over time. The journey to wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. Take the first step today. Your future self will thank you. Start now, don't wait. There you have it, the real reasons you're still broke, and how to change it. It's not about luck or genius, but understanding the system, shifting your mindset, and taking action. The power to change your financial future is in your hands. Start by tracking your spending, killing bad debt, and opening that first investment account. Every journey starts with a single step. Take yours today. Subscribe, like, and comment below with your biggest financial struggle. Let's build wealth together.